Hello everyone, welcome to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. Today we are going to be pairing masks with different outfits to give you ideas because we want to encourage everyone to wear a mask, and we want you to know that you can be both stylish and chic, hot, sexy, whatever you want to feel wearing a mask with these Lanier Health Fashion Performance masks. This one, I paired it with a sweater. I'm trying to be realistic here. So a lot of people, their lifestyles have changed. Their wardrobes have changed. We're probably not necessarily wearing our heels so much, and maybe we're more into sneakers or booties for fall. So this is a very cozy sweater. I live in this sweater during the fall and winter season. I paired it with skinny jeans and then these boots that are kind of a mustardy color, and then to top it all off, I'm wearing neutral tones and I'm adding a pop of color with this red sparkly mask. So this is perfect for a daytime look that is sure to get you stopped on the street, compliments wherever it is you go, or just bringing a smile to someone's face. So this is look number one. So for this second look, I love pairing turtlenecks tucked into jeans. Definitely not a skinny jean. These jeans are not oversized, more of like a boyfriend fit. And so I have paired it with this red and black lace mask and some Manolo BB pumps. So I know I mentioned that people aren't necessarily wearing heels right now, but some of us are really missing wearing heels right now. And that's something that makes us feel powerful and sexy and happy and confident. So you can definitely wear heels going out to dinner, for example. So this could be a daytime look, or it could be a dinner out, for example, or maybe like date night. So you can look hot, but you're not sending the wrong message because you're not wearing skin tight clothes, but you look fabulous. Please remember, there is no reason that you cannot look fabulous while wearing a mask. And through the Style That Binds Us, you will get some creative outfit ideas for how to do that. So this is look number two. Here's another daytime look. This look, perfect for daytime, casual, but chic. We want you to be able to be easy, chic, all day, every day. So this mask is maroon with the red appliques. I'm wearing a maroon wine-colored sweater, crop sweater, with skinny jeans. I'm wearing it with jeans. My Converse, which have a maroon rim, could not be more perfect. And then I'm pairing it with this maroon wine color, whatever you want to call it, Balenciaga bag. So this look, throw it on and you are ready to go. One thing I like about these masks, Lanier Health Fashion Performance Mask, is that they are far enough from your lips so you can actually wear lipstick underneath. This look, again, is casual. Y'all should be so proud of me for this video. I would have loved to pair these crazy fabulous fashion outfits with heels and feathers and all sorts of things, but this video is not for me. This video is for you. So I wanted to be realistic about, in 2020, what you are actually going to be wearing. So I have on the mermaid mask, and I'm pairing it with a blue look. So I have on a navy tee for colder temperatures. Of course, pair it with a navy turtleneck. And then these overalls, do not forget the power of overalls. And then I'm wearing Golden Goose sneakers, which have blue accents. So this look is paired with the blue mermaid sequin sparkle mask. Can you get any better than this? So this would be perfect for running errands, weekend adventures, all sorts of things. So I could not go without giving you a going out outfit. If you have the opportunity to go out to dinner, maybe go out to a bar in New York, the bars are kind of like restaurants at this point, they have all the outdoor seating and everything, or maybe someone is having a weekend outside social gathering, this is what you could wear. So I have on the black sparkly Lanier Health Fashion Performance mask. It's chilly. It's getting chillier, so I have put on this black bomber jacket, paired it with this Fendi bag, and then this is a green, a dark, very dark green and black embossed. It looks like a snake pattern, but of course it's not real. And then paired it with these shoes that are super comfortable. They kind of lace up, so it's a little bit sexier. And then if you get hot, you can take it off, and I have paired it with a bodysuit underneath. So all night I'm not having to tuck in the skirt, tuck in the top back into the skirt. So this is a way that you can go out, love your outfit, be obsessed with your look, blow them all away, but be safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to like the video, comment down below. We did a haul video with the Lanier Health Fashion Performance mask, and their other mask as well, so I'll link that in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel so you don't miss any more of our videos. Stay safe out there, stay healthy. We're going to get through this pandemic, and we are hoping that you will be as stylish and fearless as possible in the process. See you next time. Bye!